Hello friends, how are you all of you? Welcome back to Top Level Study, The New Age of Success. Myself संजय, ex-General Indian Air Force. ये वीडियो हमारा थर्ड पार्ट है 1000 प्लस MCQ ऑन कंप्यूटर नॉलेज सीरीज का। बिना टाइम वेस्ट के चलिए हम वीडियो शुरू करते हैं और उससे पहले एक आज का थॉट ऑफ द डे देख लेते हैं। आज का थॉट ऑफ द डे, सफलता तब मिलती है जब आपके सपने आपके बहानों से बड़े हो जाते हैं। आपके ड्रीम्स जब आपके एक्सक्यूज से बड़े हो जाते हैं। सो नाउ लेट अस स्टार्ट द आवर टॉपिक। सो फ्रेंड्स, ये है कंप्यूटर नॉलेज का सिलेबस। आप इसको पॉज करके आराम से देख सकते हैं। सो फ्रेंड्स, आरबीआई असिस्टेंट मेन एग्जाम में टोटल 40 क्वेश्चन है और 40 मार्क्स है और टाइम 20 मिनट है। और आरआरबी ऑफिस असिस्टेंट एंड ऑफिसर्स मेन एग्जाम में वही 40 क्वेश्चन है बट 20 मार्क्स है एंड इसमें कंपोजिट टाइम है। सो आपको इसमें अपना टाइम मैनेजमेंट खुद करना पड़ेगा। सो हमारा इस पार्ट का फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन और सीरीज का क्वेश्चन नंबर 81 इज 1 निबुल इज इक्विवेलेंट टू हाउ मेनी बिट्स? ऑप्शंस आर 2, 4 या 8 या इन 1। आंसर इज 4 बिट्स। क्वेश्चन नंबर 2, द स्मॉलेस्ट यूनिट ऑफ डाटा इन कंप्यूटर इज? ऑप्शंस आर बाइट या निबुल या बिट या केबी एंड द आंसर इज बिट। क्वेश्चन नंबर 3 is a dash is an electronic device that process data, converts it into information. Options are computer या processor या case या stylus and the answer is computer. Question number 4, 1 kilobyte is equal to dash how much byte? And the options are 1000 bytes या 100 bytes या 1024 bytes या 1023 bytes and the answer is option number C, that is 1024 bytes. Friends, don't confuse with 1000 bytes. Always remember this is 1 kilobyte is 1024 bytes, that is 2 to the power 10, that is 2 to the power 10. Okay, question number 5, how to select one hyperlink after another during a slide presentation? Options are Ctrl plus K या Ctrl plus D या Ctrl plus H या tab and the answer is option number B, that is Ctrl plus D. Our next question number 6, slide shutter can be accessed from which menu? Options are view menu, edit menu या file menu या insert menu and the answer is view menu and here is the view menu. as you can see this is view menu और view menu में slide shutter. Okay, question number 7, what is the term used when you press and hold the left mouse key and move the mouse around the slide? Options are या तो moving या dragging या monitoring या highlighting and the answer is dragging. Question number 8, what is a motion path in a PowerPoint? PowerPoint में motion path क्या है? A method of moving items on a slide या a type of animation entrance effect या a method of advancing slides या all of above and the answer is a type of animation entrance effect. Okay, question number 9, a spreadsheet contains what? Options are columns, rows and columns या none of these and the answer is option number C, that is rows and columns. Question number 10, Question number 10, in MS Excel, what function displays row data in a column or column data in a row? Options are hyperlinks या rows या index या transpose and the answer is transpose. Question number 11, in Microsoft Access, macros can be executed from the which of the following menu? Options are या format या tools या insert या home and the answer is tools menu. So here is the tools menu, database tools and here is run macro. Question number 12, a function inside another function is known as what? Options are nested function या switched function या sandwich function या round function and the answer is nested function. मैं आपको यहाँ पे कुछ इन्फॉर्मेशन दूंगा कि एक्सेल और एक्सेस, माइक्रोसॉफ्ट एक्सेल और माइक्रोसॉफ्ट एक्सेस में क्या डिफरेंस है। देखिए, एक्सेल एक सिर्फ स्प्रेडशीट है जिसमें सिर्फ एक टेबल होता है जो कि परफॉर्म करता है कैलकुलेशन एंड टू रिप्रेजेंट डाटा विजुअली, जबकि एक्सेस एक रिलेशनल डाटाबेस मैनेजमेंट सिस्टम होता है। एक कंप्लीट डाटाबेस होता है जिसमें आपको डाटा को इजीली मैनेज और स्टोर करने में हेल्प करता है जो। और एक्सेस इज डिजाइन टू हैव मल्टीपल यूजर्स वर्किंग ऑन द सेम डाटाबेस। एक्सेस में जो डाटाबेस है उसमें एक साथ में मल्टीपल यूजर काम कर सकते हैं, बट एक्सेल में ऐसा नहीं है। एक्सेल में क्या है, एट ए टाइम एक ही यूजर काम करेगा। सो दिस इज द डिफरेंस। Our next question, question number 13. Which of the following is not the part of standard office suite? Word processor, या database, या image editor, या file manager? And the answer is option number D, that is file manager. Next question, question number 14. Superscript, subscript, outline, emboss, engrave are known as dash. Font styles, या font effects, या word art, या text effects. And the answer is font effects, not font styles. उसके ऊपर हमारा next question है. Bold, italic, regular are known as dash. Font styles या font effects या word art या text effects. Here is answer is font styles. So bold, italic और regular are font styles. Question number 16. Communications protocols always have a dash. Set of symbols या start of header या special flag symbol या BCC. And the answer is set of symbols. Question number 17. A streaming protocol is dash. Provides error detection. Doesn't have provide error detection, या uses 64 byte blocks, या requires a manual setup. And the answer is doesn't provide error detection. Okay, question number 18. Synchronous protocols dash transmit characters one at a time, या allow faster transmission than asynchronous protocols do, या are generally used by personal computers, या all of these. And the answer is allow faster transmission than asynchronous protocol. Okay. Question number 19. An information utility can offer a user dash instant bond and stock quotations, या news storage from wire services, या complete airline schedules for all domestic flights, या all of these. And the answer is all of these. Question number 20. In Microsoft Access, relational algebra doesn't have dash. Selection operator, या projection operator, या aggregation operators, या division operators. And the answer is option number B, that is projection operator. So MS Access relation algebra में projection operator नहीं होता है. Question number 21. In Microsoft Access, the rule that a value of a foreign key must appear as a value of some specific table is called a dash. Options are referential constraint, या index, या integrity constraint, या functional dependency. And the answer is referential constraint. Our question number 22. Full form of DBMS is what? Options are database management system, या document based management system, या digital based management system, या none of them. And the answer is option number A, that is database management system. Question number 23. Which of the following is not a computer language? Options are basic, या C, या fast, या Fortran, या none of these. And the answer is option number 3, that is fast. Internet's initial development was supported by what? Options are ARPANET, या IBM, या Microsoft, या none of these. And the answer is ARPANET. Question number 25. .NET domain is used for what? Educational institution के लिए, या इंटरनेट इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर एंड सर्विस प्रोवाइडर्स के लिए, या इंटरनेशनल ऑर्गेनाइजेशन के लिए, या नॉन ऑफ दिस. एंड द आंसर इज इंटरनेट इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर एंड सर्विस प्रोवाइडर्स के लिए. क्वेश्चन नंबर 26. www provides standardized access to what? Options are Gopher, या Telnet, या FTP, या all of the above. And answer is all of the above. Question number 27. TCP stands for, most important question, Tools Control Protocol, या Transmission Control Protocol, या Transfer Control Protocol, या none of these. And the answer is Transmission Control Protocol. Question number 28. Set of programs which consist of full set of documentation is termed as what? Options are database package, या file package, या boss package, या software package. And the answer is software package. Question number 29. What is the difference between mnemonic codes and machine codes? Important question दोस्त. There is no difference. Yeah, machine codes are in binary and mnemonic codes are in shorthand English. Yeah, machine codes are in shorthand English, and mnemonic codes are in binary. Yeah, machine codes are in shorthand English, mnemonic codes are high level language. And the answer is machine codes are in binary, mnemonic codes are in shorthand English. Okay, our question number 30. A permanent memory which holds data and instruction for start of the computer and doesn't erase data after power off is known as what? Options are network interface card, या CPU, या RAM, या ROM. And the answer is ROM, that is read only memory. Question number 31. Advantage of magnetic input media is what? Options are high speed, या flexibility in accessing data, या low cost, या all of these. And the answer is all of these. Question number 32. Which of the following is not true of punched cards as data entry media? Options are they can be used as turnaround documents, or they are inexpensive, or input is slow compared with other media, or they are easily damaged. And the answer is they are inexpensive. Question number 33. To correct the spelling in Microsoft Word, we use what? Options are Spell Pro, या Spell Check, या Outlook Express, या all of these, या none of these. And the answer is option number B, that is Spell Check. Next question. The background of any Word document is dash. Options are is always white, or is the color you preset under the option menu, or is always the same for the entire document, or can have any color you choose. And the answer is can have any color you choose. Question number 35. In Microsoft Word, text in a column is generally aligned. Important question, friends. Options are या तो justified, या right aligned, या center aligned, या left aligned, या none of these. And the answer is left aligned. Question number 36. When an ER diagram is mapped to tables, the representation is redundant for what? Options are weak entity sets, या weak relationship, या strong entity sets, या strong relationship. And the answer is weak relationship. So what is ER? ER is entity relationship diagram होता है. Question number 37. In SQL, the word natural can be used with what? Options are inner join, या full outer join, या right outer join, या all of the above. And the option is inner join. So natural can be used with, in SQL, natural can be used with inner join. And what is SQL? SQL is structured query language. Our next question, question number 38. What is the minimum number of operations required for a microprocessor with 8 data pins to read a 32-bit word? And the options are 1 operation, या 2 operation, या 4 operation, या 8 operation. And the answer is 4 operation. Question number 39 is, which of the following units cannot be used to measure the speed of computer? Options are MIPS, MFLOPS, FLOPS, या BAUD baud. And the answer is baud. So baud cannot be used to measure the speed of computer. Let us see what is MIPS. MIPS is million instructions per second. What is MFLOPS? Mega floating point operations per second. And what is FLOPS? That is floating point operations per second. And what is baud? Baud या baud rate या a baud होता है the number of signaling elements per second sent by a communication device such as a modem. मतलब एक communication device के द्वारा जो पर सेकेंड में कितना सिग्नल एलिमेंट भेजा जाता है उसको बोलते हैं baud rate या baud. So today's last question, that is question number 120 of the series. A modem is not needed when accessing the internet through dash. Options are LAN, या cable, या Wi-Fi, या none of these. And the answer is when LAN. जब हम LAN के थ्रू इंटरनेट एक्सेस करते हैं तब मोडेम की ज़रूरत नहीं होता है. सो फ्रेंड्स, उम्मीद करता हूँ कि ये वीडियो आपको अच्छा लगा होगा, और अच्छा लगा हो तो लाइक कीजिए, नहीं पसंद आया तब भी डिसलाइक कीजिए. मुझे दोनों पसंद है, लाइक भी और डिसलाइक भी. लाइक से मेरा मोटिवेशन बढ़ता है और डिसलाइक से मैं खुद अपने आप को इम्प्रूव करने की कोशिश करूँगा. बट डोंट लाइक और डिसलाइक. हाँ दोस्त, और एक बात, सब्सक्राइब करना ना भूलें. और थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग. स्टे होम, बी सेफ, ऑल द बेस्ट फॉर योर अपकमिंग एग्जाम्स. तब तक बाय बाय.